Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper. So here it's mine, and to change it you have to click and hold home screen, move for wallpapers. Right now pick wallpaper that you want to apply. I'm going for this one, and there we have home screen and the lock screen. So for sure we have to change the lock screen wallpaper, and here change it. As you can see, there it is. Let's go for this one and then click apply. As you can see, both wallpapers has changed, and that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.